Look what we got here. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a little surprise from TCL. Of course, you see it on the box right here. This is the TCL 10 5G ultra wideband phone. Display greatness, this is their model. So without further ado, they sent this out for review. Let's go ahead and unbox this reviewer package here and see what they sent me. A little tight here. Let's go ahead and unbox this, and voila. Inside the box, I'm gonna show you right here real quick. The power of 5G for everyone. What does that mean? We'll find out. So the power of 5G for everyone, also here, very nice packaging display, very cool. I like this. Let's go ahead and remove this. And we have goodies. So by removing this, we have, of course, the TCL 5G ultra wideband phone. Let's set this aside real quick. Let's see what else is in here. They did send some other goodies. Now, when you purchase this phone, you will only be getting the device. This is a reviewer's kit that they sent over. We do have a TCL mask. Awesome. A microfiber cloth, ooh, nice, and a case from Spec, the Presidio Exotake. Now, this is good to see right here because this tells me that right at launch, there will be cases available for you to purchase at the Verizon store, Amazon, or at the Spec store, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and put this aside as well, and nothing else is in the box. So let's get to the main event. Here is the TCL 5G ultra wideband. I did see this at CES last year. There wasn't too much information about it, but they did showcase it. We weren't able to touch it. I don't think they allowed us to view this one. The other ones they did. But let me give you a quick spec rundown real quick of this phone. This phone has a 6.53 inch Full HD plus display. And of course, they have their Next Vision technology that delivers true to life visuals, HDR video playback. We have a Snapdragon 765G, which is a 5G compatible chipset with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes in onboard storage, which you can extend that storage. It does have a slot for a micro SD card slot. We also have a 4500 milliamp hour battery for all day use. That is a huge battery there. I cannot wait to see how long it's gonna last. We also have a advanced triple camera setup in the rear that comes with a 48 megapixel high-res camera, a 8 megapixel super wide, and a 5 megapixel macro. The front facing camera is a 16 megapixel, which is awesome as well. And running this device is Android 10. Would have liked to see Android 11, but TCL is pretty good with updates. Hopefully they can keep that same trend with the TCL 10L and the TCL 10 Pro. I would love to see these devices get Android 11 sometime here in the near future. So this is exclusive to Verizon. It will be available for $399. This is the cheapest smartphone you can get for Verizon with 5G and ultra wideband 5G, and it's probably one of the cheapest in the world. I haven't seen a 5G phone that comes in less than $500. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below, but this will be available on October 29th. So make sure if you're looking for a 5G phone and don't have too much money to spend, go and check out the TCL 10 5G ultra wideband for Verizon, coming in at $399, $400 with all these great specs it has. You can't go wrong with that. So without further ado, this is what you're gonna get. This retail packaging here, TCL 10 5G ultra wideband You got an image of the phone there, nothing on the sides. Couple specs here on the sides, and on top I forgot display greatness. So let's not keep you waiting, and let's go ahead and unbox this. And voila. Let's see what's inside the box, what you're gonna get when you first get your TCL 10 5G. The phone, let's go ahead and put that aside. We do have some packaging materials here. You do have your quick reference guide and a SIM ejection tool. No case this time. It comes with no case, but your SIM ejection tool is in there. You have a very nice USB to Type-C braided charging cable there. This is pretty good. It's pretty thick too, so good quality cable there, braided. Let's go ahead and put that back. And of course you have your fast charging power brick here, USB. Look at that, TCL there on top. Let's go ahead and put this back and take a look at the phone itself. Bam. Ooh, has some nice heft to it. This thing is looking very nice and very, very shiny, but it does have some nice heft to it. Let's look at the build quality of the phone itself. This might be stainless steel, dude. This outer edge here on the case, this frame, might be stainless steel because it feels like stainless steel. It feels pretty heavy. I'm not quite sure if the back is glass, but it feels like that glass-stick Samsung feeling. Look at that design, TCL branding there, 5G, Verizon logo there. Bam. Rear fingerprint sensor there on the back. You have your 3-camera array there. On the front, you do have a punch hole design on the top left corner with that 16 megapixel camera. You do have a tiny earpiece here on top of the device. Headphone jack on top, mic. And on the left side of the phone, you have your SIM tray ejection tray there. And on the bottom of the phone, you have your charging port, speakers, and mic. The right side, power button and volume rocker. Very shiny display. So without further ado, feels pretty heavy, feels good in hand. I'm gonna go ahead and power this baby on. Give you guys a quick look at the OS running inside. All right, we're back, and since this is a Verizon exclusive, you are gonna have Verizon apps. You have their cloud service, their call filter service, digital secure service, their messaging app, and their Verizon app. And you do have other apps that are pre-installed like Disney Plus, some games, Forge of the Empires, June's Journey, Pop Slots, Pluto TV, Yahoo Sports, Scramble, Smart Family, other apps on here that are pre-installed when you get your device. Candy Crush, Candy Soda, all that good stuff you guys like. So right off the back, this is running Android 10. It is a very fluid device. We have 6 gigs of RAM, of course, paired with a Snapdragon 765G. So it's gonna give you great performance, but we'll be the judge of that. Now, some key differences between the 10 5G and the 10 Pro here. I'm gonna bring my 10 Pro side aside. The 10 5G is a bigger device. It has a flat display and it has a hole punch camera design right here on top. This has a baby notch. with curved display. This one has a more curved display. Now the 5G does not have a in-display fingerprint reader. The 10 Pro does. This one has it in the rear, and it only has 3 cameras on the back. This one has 4. The 10 Pro is frosted when the 10 5G is very, very shiny there. But other than that, you can tell that the 5G is thicker. This one's a little thinner. But other than that, I'm super excited to get into this phone. This thing is feature packed, right? For $400, it doesn't get better than that. It's going to come out on October 29th. So if you're in the market for a budget mid-tier smartphone, this is probably the cheapest one you can get with 5G. For $400, you get a 6.53-inch Full HD display. You have a Snapdragon 765G paired with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and a massive battery, 4500 milliamp hour battery. It doesn't get better than that. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comment section if you're thinking about picking this up, or if you're interested in a device like this. This thing is a pretty good device at a pretty good price, and you get that Verizon ultra wide super fast 5G band, which a lot of phones are charging a lot of money for that band, and this only comes out at $400. It doesn't get better than that. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this device. Are you thinking about picking up a TCL 10 5G ultra wide smartphone as your next device, or as a backup device? Or are you going to buy this for a mom or dad, a parent, a child? This will be a perfect device, and I'm sure they'll be very happy with this phone in their pocket. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.